Hi guys. So I get a lot of questions asking me why women play hard to get so much. So today I'm gonna give you guys the top 3 reasons. Number one is she likes to be chased. So innately, men to a certain extent, not anything excessive, but innately men like to chase women and women like to be chased. This paradigm can be seen all throughout the animal kingdom. So it's actually a very natural thing. However, women do take it too far, which is why you have a lot of women that post stuff. You have a lot of women that do stuff for attention because they like to be quote unquote thirsted after. Number two is it raises her self-confidence. So the fact that you keep on pursuing her, all while she's pretty much dodging you, gives her a false sense of self-confidence. Women will use the desperation of men to raise their self-worth. Not too long ago, Dove Soap actually conducted a survey and they concluded that 96% of women are insecure about how they look. So this can become an addictive cycle of like a cat and mouse game almost, because the more you go out of your way to chase her and let her know that you're interested, the more her false sense of self-confidence rises. So she can be playing hard to get, basically using you so she can feel better about herself. Number three is she's not interested in you. So the bad news is that a woman who is genuinely not interested in you can appear the same as a woman who is just playing hard to get. So it's difficult to tell the difference. I actually have a video coming out on how to tell the difference very soon, so be on the lookout for that. But general rule of thumb, if she's not throwing out any signs or any signals at all, like she's not flirting with you, she's going to ghost on you for long periods of time, like you're not catching any type of vibes from her at all, then 9 times out of 10 she's not playing hard to get. She's just genuinely not interested in you. The reason why she won't tell you that is because a lot of women don't like serious confrontation like that. They don't like the responsibility of having to break somebody's heart and be honest about certain things. So she would rather like just go ghost on you and hope that you fizzle out, as opposed to just telling you, I'm not interested in you. It's messed up, I know, but it's true. So those are the top 3 reasons why women play hard to get. I know some of them were probably not easy to hear, but it's the truth. I'm going to always give you guys the truth. I'm going to always give you guys like the inside scoop on certain things when it comes to women. And I do want to say, if you find that she's playing too hard to get, like it's going on too long and it's excessive, don't stay hung up on her. Just move on. I also do, like I said earlier, I have a video coming on how to tell the difference between a woman playing hard to get and a woman that's genuinely not interested. So be on the lookout for that as well. And until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.